scam. Someone who said cocoa price abano. Abane ni akuafo ani ni ye kura.
Hey, Abusia. On this cocoa prices, I've seen on TikTok that people, NDC food soldiers are trying to justify the cocoa prices.
And Ghana for Chirema, this is the biggest scam in the history of NDC government. The biggest scam. And Anna Ato Forson, our finance minister, and also new price for cocoa. I'm a Ghana for a clash with Ato Forson. Ato, and you say now kind in opposition, and you boy na de my there be Ato. What if near me this abrono? Ghana for can be actually Ato Forson. I'm a Biago His Excellency, the President, John Mahama Ato. In this video, home come on, that's what I'm a comment section. I Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Obey like video, no other my subscribe button, some make the notification icon of latest updates. Now better why you and your mammy. Comment section. Mess was over so. No she video from so any be ashe. It didn't how Ato Forson spoke in opposition. Campaign time 2024 hey or course say I catch you say oh I buy autism one ko kwakua nini ye kura woni man nini ye kura
ko farmers awo Ghana ha abani otudi wanyi wona ndini ye kura abani otudi wesisi mu bebre abani wa fa mu sika bebre de da me peda me kan yi de koko no bono koko bag biala abani boton oboton wa bochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis one bag there's a 98 million cedis Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there oida aban oche de miska bi mu abasa so che ma abasa na ono wa afakul no the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebie then we ma bani to be only the west the taze ono wa afa ebie na wa ma cocoa farmer e ko boy eti cocoa ba di biala oida watonen en ko oida aban o ma cocoa farmer 65 million Ghana cedis 65 million Ghana cedis instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one cocoa farmer or 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana cedis. And see, what 65 and one more 30 million. If you win there, I buy it or you there. Usika MPP, I buy wafa, or yeah, bag Biala, what 20 bia, Usika 35 million. We're going to present the Kufado, Union Baumia, and the MPP, I buy what we're going to want.
No, think at least ultimate cocoa bag no 60 million. 60 million. Emma at the floor of Parliament. Or say repeat sir as same way our Parliament House.
Mr. Speaker, today the prevailing price at the world market and the exchange rate means that Cocoa Board will be selling one bag of cocoa at 9,700 Ghana cedis at the international market. Right, Honorable Speaker, the cocoa farmer cannot be paid less than 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Old Ghana cedis, 60 million old Ghana cedis per bag. The payment of 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag is critical because cocoa farmers deserve the benefit of their hard labor.
And this is what the promise Ghana for say, oh, about cocoa bag there. It will be increased to 6,000 cedis. It don't talk cocoa for you trimo. I'm going to abano Edema NDC Bochu. Interesting, Mama Ben appointed Ato Forson as finance minister. So all the finances. And we deal with finance on a MS with year 2 near memu, year 2 swing and Edanabem. Is that a gun for years? Oh, any year we go for your years. Ato Forson and walk Kumayan say, Abanis here now, or no, now be finance minister. All what to me so two, no, it isn't now there. I was not going then about tomorrow system million. It was an Indian cabin shame. Ato Forson, Emma and our cocoa new prices are cocoa bag, or they are called to 3,228.
The government of Ghana is pleased to announce an increase in the producer price of cocoa from $3,100 per ton to $5,040 per ton. It is instructive to note that the government has, by this decision, increased the producer price significantly by 62.58% in US dollar terms. This increase in the producer price represents 70% of the gross free-on-board value of $7,200 per ton and aligns with the NDC's manifesto and and President Mahama's promise to pay the cocoa farmer 70% of the FOB price. It is significant to note that for the 2024 and 2025 crop season, the previous administration set an FOB value of 4,850 per ton of cocoa and the producer price at $3,100 per ton, representing 63.9% of the FOB price, even though the world market price at the time was much better than today. And between 2024 and 2025, the previous administration set the FOB value at $4,850 per ton, even though the world market price condition was far favorable than today. Whilst today we set the FOB value at $7,200. The gross FOB value was arrived at using the outstanding cocoa contracts of about 100,000 tons sold at $2,600 per ton in the 2023 and 2024 crop season, and average forecast for the 2025 and 2026 crop season. We arrived at the 7,200 FOB price after we took into consideration 100,000 tons of cocoa contracts sold at $2,600 per ton for the 2023 and 2024 crop season, and an average forecast for the 2025 and 2026 crop season. And that is what gave us the $7,200 per ton of a strong city and declining inflation, reflecting government's commitment to improving the livelihood of our cocoa farmer. Since the second quarter of 2025, government has taken steps to maintain the cedi equivalent of $3,000 per ton at 16 cedis to $1, translating to 49,600 Ghana cedis per ton. This measure by government was to protect the cocoa farmer against the loss of income due to the strong performance of the currency. By maintaining the price at $3,000 per bag for several months now, amidst the strong performance of the Ghana cedi, the government of President Mahama has subsidized the cocoa farmer with an amount of 1,114 Ghana cedis for each bag of cocoa sold since the second quarter of 2025.
Now at that 3,100, Ato Forson area kodru 3,228. That's a oya calculation ya. Watu cocoa bag mu just 1.28 Ghana cedis. And Ato Forson was so smart. Now o quoting figures no in dollars. Miwa. Anyway, Charabeka said Ghana we should stop quoting figures in dollars. I was saying quoting figures with cedis, but Ato Forson quoting cocoa price and I don't know. O quoting in dollars all these wavy attention That's why I took cocoa bag $1,900 plus. Yes, I say yatum. But you see this more percentage is 62.5%. The other count sika per bag 1.280. Miwa Ato Forson promising 60 million. 60 million. And I got to say, Ato blah blah through shenshare blah blah trust in income through shenshare. They also they banano. And there's a way they be work. Gonna go to the Juman Kasa.
Someone who said cocoa price abano. Ya pamocho. MPP for na mope president allow us to discuss this cocoa price. Communicators. Mama yen discuss cocoa price no. Ubi wunim now spokesperson. Ekofa assembly betum ma ye jai cocoa price discussion we. Na ye be internal discussions ha. You will expose you people. Asem banners ye be boy this for cheap. Na makwa internal issues about betum. Na ye will mama Ghana for will fee allow us. Aban Mahama to me am for 200 cedis kura mpo anya dey antu cocoa price so. Munya ye. Na ye discuss ye cocoa ye friend say price. So what we nim na wo aduchum camp Canada Japan camp ba umia camp na obekwa kofa obi asem aba na ye wire be fi cocoa price na discuss no ye be who say yes you people are working for NDC but not the new patriotic party. I mean sure obubia communicators ma ye mo aban ne akuafo anini ye kura oni akuafo anini ye. Shalom erade asomdwe nkamo
Abusia o hwe senya mede kasa no kura obi nkan Joseph Mabema bu media ko afo ri bitumi nye biomu masa ma brand ko afo yo David abai dabi ma mi ndi hu ya o e ba to sa be se wano me ma wane ni china be se wano sesen kan koko bag bako ni eto ne sen 3,100 Ghana cedis meboa. And then yes, government to announce new producer price for cocoa today. Many are J. Menim say oh me betia sempa. Asempa mo dru na makopo papa mane. No ayere no aye cocoa fo ni ye. Abusia. Me wan yes, government increases producer price of cocoa from $3,100 per ton to $5,040 US per ton. Abusia. Now just made me pen, me book, me pencil, eraser, crayon, chalk, ega kweti to one. Now is a cocoa, one bag piano, and almost 3,000, said 300 or saying. Abusia. Must see a queer for. Must see any a bed and a cocoa so quick, I'm saying. A bed will be to cocoa for, and goes on to I'm saying. She could cook for Peplo, Comia, Ivory Coast where. Was Ivory Coast, cocoa one bag the same. Ivory Coast, cocoa one bag the same. And your boy, a cocoa for Brossa. Asa, never pay cocoa cranium. Mrs. Cocoa cranium, meaning a bram of bread. Now if it's all to a drop, I could go so. One of nebo did. Se kokona krona wudano ebenya anwode ebenya ebre edzana na se wa fifi wanyini waso flowers aso no masa na wa wo be de ode o na bra wa bre no timotu kokoma almost koko se ntise na motumetu mu maye ya be kokona mamwaye ya be mamanya hwe we be na you muslim si you to know omumpe kuaye omumpe ye pe kuaye na musisi ye then you to know ye pe kuaye na mo ye buwe kuafo e se ye ni ye kan okura den em se mo ye de kuafo ya dwe di agro o ja se you to know ye pe kuo ye pe na mum ya hwehwe mo se da bi mo ba bi a musisi kuafo eno na ma you to ni nje ho no cocoa free 3,100 cedis. I will be 3,000. Bread in the head, a modo, a munguso, a mujichamu, a mundro. Now, and doing a modo, no, we can 3,000 no wunchem. Kutuma 3,000, and yes, Omega say, and a banana go to man was saying. A banana to a mess, and also be 2 years, my oh, we are my bravo. Say na mukachire ya gashe na muni ne kutugala na mbedi do wa mubete binini kwa jimi ya koko for mon sorry na mon kasa o na mon kasa na mu ye nipa on the government task come mo o say obama mo 3,223 cedis ekufo ado na otua mo 3,100 cedis NDC abandoned just 123 cedis na to so nenso during campaign Ato Forson e ka asasem we e de chite Ghana fo
Cocoa farmers are what Ghana ha abani o to di wanyi wona ndi ni ye bra abani o to di we sisimu bebre abani wa fa mu sika bebre de da me pada me kan yi de cocoa no bono cocoa bag biala abani boton oboton wa brochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis one bag. There's a 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Or that ban oche the miskemi mu abasa soche ma abasa no no wa fakul no the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebie then we ma bani to be only the west little ono wa fa ebie no wa ma cocoa farmer e pro the boy it's cocoa ba di biala o de water Nkoida aban oma cocoa farmer 65 million Ghana cedis. 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of
question ebusa Ato Forson ne say oka chide cocoa for say kufu ado aban ni wi omo na say omo koton cocoa no na omo de ba e wo senka cocoa bag bia no ma ekuane no 6,000 to 7,000 Ghana cedis and the NDC abanya ba ye wo August musimo to cocoa mu a ekufu ado emo 3,100 cedis musimo de 123 cedis per na to so 123 cedis na to so what happened to the 6,000 cedis instead of some more 2,900 that can I 6,000 cedis no more than 123 cedis na to so this useless government lied to you people say oh no ever be to go mu dia mama and now look at what these people are doing. These people have scammed their way into power and they are still scamming Ghanaians whilst they are in power. Now mu koko for the munya hu she so on for the free 475 cedis and could do 3,100 and this abamba was say over 2 mama or they just 123 cedis per account. I mean it's shamoka
abusuya dabio enti NDC government no se mo se det se mo be bibia aya na mo prema na se mo suro se ma eda ni endrusu no bia beye mo suro se eda ni endrusu no bia fu mo che beye bo abusuya ya beto join the government to announce new producer price for cocoa today. Yes, and ya me no ka say government be na so yeah the price yeah cocoa bo fry beto cocoa yes because yeah, I'm going to go for I'm a bread. In the end, I'm going to say, I buy at the new price. Ever have a 2 jar, send me a report to the SCN because I'm saying for the go for your ADS shaper. And it is essentially John Mahama Mama, I want to go for. Gawe, I am cowboy free. I'm saying yes for no, I must say. Sisiano, and Canada cocoa time. But Sisiano, and Galam say, go time. And it's all about to go boom. That's one to me. I'm an favor. Cocoa Cafona. Yes, almost a wood too. No one to man favor one. Or when you don't wait, dig I'm saying because cocoa so big cocoa palm and every feet. I said, I yes, so now a woobra bread, a cow born. That's all I took cocoa. No one to be two. I'm money and jetia. I know me choco corny now. I make 2 gala. Opa, I be su. Quano and I be su. Quana got told that they will go. Ah, it is any. Yeah, Papa Money, my mock, we are funny, and I'm saying, yes, say, I need 2 years. No, Mr. Galam say, no, I won't die. No more money, cocoa. And yes, idea, Utu Bella, almost so Galamseno, on my 2 Bella, yes, your message as number 7. What I say, and the Minister Edia, a Greek minister. What is a Bibia come to a favor, a Cafono, honorable Erico Poku, Major Woody, Erico Poku, Major Woody. Papa, way, Miss Mama ministers, Amphibia, you get you, much to say. By this time, they are Erico Poku also. This time, Erico Poku also. Ofa Erico Poku. Papa, you bought my Busha. Yes, and the cowboy free. Can I say yes? And then a for Eban say, almost almost to cocoa price in Mudia. Omu 2 years. And yes, idea. Omunina, Omecho, I can say. It's an abyss, Manuquasum. Oman to a favor of Moto to Kuya can say, now so what your best excavator, last I ha,
Bimini, well, Jimmy, Sepr, Ebusano Cassé, Sepre for our Moton Coconi Buff, Ato Forson, Papa. Almost say, what's happened to the 6,000 cities that now promise say, you know? It's an South 2024 say, MPP are buying you. Now, 31 million money is so, some 60 million, 80 cano, and can see 6,000 cities. Now, in the all buyer, also about 2 more, what the 123 cities, 123 cities, now they are coming. And I'll see more about so. And then this is for the world fool. There was your go for no more class in the day. They say, Makuma Crea Paya Chesebusia, coming out to force and come up. It's almost out to it's not forcing. Almost out to it's not forcing again, crack. Because this was not the promise or the promise you. And this is for the world fool, almost out to forcing. Where the one force it. Out to forcing, where the one force it. I'm just say, what's coming or more papa. And to where the just the beginning. And to no comment section, what you say, Coco Fue, a yezu. No, what you say, a yeza.
Yes, and for Sister Memocasi.
His Excellency John Mahama one in a pound for to cocoa. Not of all. Omutu we not believe say, Sayet mean Christian yet. Uncle was said, dear Nijaban, ne sign was soon any money. Any abufu nara. Mahama de abufu se cocoa for Sister Nawoka say cocoa for that say because Mahama deceive you. Mahama dada, Mahama cannot correct. Mahama didn't throw about power because what's the cocoa? What did they fix? I said 3,100 to 6,000. Oh, by ya and net was what took cocoa coming here. What the 3,100 from 3,100 to just 3,280. Mahama, you free so you say one tomb. Cocoa Cafoni said, you must you now what the actors you free so no Musa won't tomb where you must walk.
Ghana for Asamaba. Mate say NDC for so maba to cocoa prize nim. Na cocoa na for do otono. Oto cocoa no 3,100 no. Almost say omo baba tum. You ko share price na 3,200. Na just say omo de 1 million pe. 100 Ghana cedis spend omo de two so. Obi a omo ye campaign time omo ka so omo de omo ba omo ton 7,000 and 6,500. I feel 100 cedis pay and omo de to so. E bo na ebu mu NDC for. Ko se mo num se ba mo kan nyina afi de ateni. Na mi mbremu mu. Mi blame 56 no. 56 na adwen wo for na mi blame mo nkoso na mo nye omo saa. See, and Sunday, I'm at say, Sana Friday near the one and a bass and mo be to good. If you guarantee for Muntimin Tom good. Hey, what a country. The open on my year. So, Musi come to good in the sun. No master for good buys in the summer to good. Say, almost can a bad year, no much I say to good. The omope and no more good for a year. Me, I'm a cobre. Aqua Juma at the Abano. One I'll bet them a time I'm in Tommy good. Time a mam in tongue. Sammy Jenvi. Sammy James. In the Ghana,
Ebusia. On this cocoa price, I've seen on TikTok that people, NDC food soldiers are trying to justify the cocoa prices. Somebody like Sameba Ike or Chirechim, I open pages so about me FYP so or Chirechim and then the MPP time. Now dollar is 16 cedis. And to I'm near 40 and here to multiply by so I win and now be almost bear 700 million. But and then no dollar no swati about 10.5 until 50 $40,000 and to multiply I'll be somewhere around 500 and something million. And you know Sameba NDC food soldiers. And ye car some share NDC for no. And ye cocoa creanino. And I can't semono a share NDC form penny for some from my campaign. And share a friend is saying farmers for any boss say omoba. They would take cocoa prices to 65 million. So they knew. Said, see, they need to depreciate here. They can't even send cocoa prices to 65 million. Sameba, you are justifying it. 1.2, a new 2 million cra. And that the dollar has depreciated. So NDC, for now, when said the dollar would depreciate. And I'm going cocoa creating some man 65 million. Said dollar net depreciate you. Said dollar name depreciate you. They are waiting for their 65 million. Cocoa creating now when your GDS or two abama and this fua. Cocoa ni beko 65 million. Said dollar net raise you. Said dollar net depreciate you. Papa. Or Jenny 65 million. When your justification be a mamu masa. Share. Yeah, babu bomb rough off. What you mean? Hey,
Mahama scamian. I got you. Mahama scamian go. Hey, Randy. Master Randabi. That bet sin and that making kind of person no quality. Me the come one say me person no quality. Hey. mo ka che John Mahama yen 70 million ye hia Akufo-Addo be fan 4.750 the 31 million John Mahama una Ato Forson mu the platform so Akufo-Addo audience ka oyo kronfo o wi atumba ma 70 million yes kan nda wa he e den asem na esi wo kan say amna odubo bisan ye na odu twampa ende mo yegua no nti dem me say yem ko no yem ebetwa ndi bi egu ye betwa bi egu ye betwa se yem bu efu because ekwafo ye njo nam fo ye duma no fe di agrosa yang scan do haye na de not 3100 meter cement 95 million 9000 muka for that of Ghana cedi wo buy the cement be 100 Ghana wo be ka say 100 Ghana 128 cedis hey mamuba mampila no cotton problem ko for kan from mam Akufo-Addo ba umi Akufo-Addo ba umi mo medu ba and penfo Ghana for ya pamonchaw asem biara ye kan di tiamon no yesrem ngala mo fo ya mo bone ncheyan na nado mesra bajo wo ba umia mesra wala bajo wo ba baje eni baje mo ka cheyen mo baje eni na nado ya pa o chaw na nado tu be fa kokoo no 4.750 ko twa mayen 31 million mayen slasher na mayen aduru ya de boso sa mayen motobro sa mayen petrol me de boso wie mayen ade me di twan campaign wie imo obi ba ka cha mon say ye de was more scam yen John Mahama aka Mahalaya ona ofen Ato Forson wa said o hwe ne space am o be ka say ohu amna cheto ka che yen say mu wie scam gumu kotokum nti wo ba o mayen 70 million Nendem be kodo be soli ya John Mahama ka chese kokon one bag no ton 32 million 280 Ghana cedi 32 million 3,000 hey me 3,200 Ghana cedi na asana make no 3,200 sama na make no hey na Ato is that you Ato who the back of the show? And it's a scam party. Ato.
Who bet much the abame? Our comment section. I hype Penyah Block Media.